Hey boys and girls, welcome back to GothOnBudget, and today we're doing DIY Gothic flip-flops. I'm using some spikes from Joann's. These were like $4.99, not the cheapest, but I had them. I got some beads from old necklaces and freebies that my friends gave me. Some hot glue and a glue gun, some scissors, cardboard, clear tape, and any glue you really need. I prefer the E6000 with all of Phil's super glue, and of course those flip-flops. First, I am putting strips of tape onto the cardboard. We're going to be using this to make a bat. I'll show you in a minute how to do that. But yeah, make sure you are cutting even pieces. I learned the hard way. And make sure nothing else gets on the cardboard. I realized there was a rock in it and I put tape on it, but I cut it out later. So this adds like a non-sticky surface. So when we put hot glue on it, it's just gonna come right off when it dries. Now, with the Sharpie, go ahead and draw on your bat or skull or whatever kind of design you want. Oh, I totally forgot to clean out the clear glue and put in the black glue gun, so that was my bad. You can buy the black glue sticks at Daiso for $1.50. So after you trace out your bat, go ahead and use your hot glue gun and trace the bat outline and then fill to create the full bat. And if you're under the age of 14, please seek an adult, because hot glue gun is hot and it will burn you. Okay, you don't need to see me all do this, but anywho. Okay, while that is drying, we're gonna do the simple stud ones, because sometimes I just like simplicity. So we're gonna be taking out those spikes again, and originally I was gonna push these through into the rubber thing. You can't do that apparently. Not sharp enough. So, using your scissors, you're gonna bend the prongs inward. And then using E6000, you're gonna glue them onto that little ribbon part. Ribbon, rubber, whatever. And then repeat. I'm doing it at least a fingernail far apart. Okay, so I didn't realize that my camera started recording, but I peeled off the bat successfully but slowly, and using E6000 again to attach it to the middle part. And so I'm using these beads that I got from an old bracelet that are purplish, bluish, rainbow color, titanium, whatever. Also for the bat, I added the clothespin so that it secures while it dries. And when you're done, go ahead and repeat on the other shoe. And here are the shoes when they are dry. I am honestly in love with these. They came out super cute and really easy to use. And here's me trying them on. Yes, I know, I'm pale as fuck, but that's the whole point of being goth. And I need more tattoos. I'm in the process of that. My favorite ones are the bat ones. I love them. They're so damn cute. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, yada yada, all that jazz. See you guys later. Stay spooky.
Wow.